What's up everyone? Today I am reviewing a product that can change the way you or a loved one hears. If you experience tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears, or you think you are experiencing hearing loss, this product, EleHear Beyond Pro, is a smart hearing aid. Let's check it out. This is the box that it comes in. EleHear is an over-the-counter product. They are app-controlled, rechargeable, and Bluetooth capable. And it uses advanced AI noise processing, all while being discreet and comfortable. You get one charging case, 2 hearing aids, a greeting card, and some user manuals. You also get 2 orange boxes filled with accessories. They give you a nice carrying bag. You get the USB-C charging cable. In the other box, you get tulip-sized domes, closed and open, small, medium, large, and extra large. Inside the other box, you get the multifunction tool pen and wax guards. And here's the charging case. It is recommended to fully charge both the charging case and hearing aids for 2.5 hours before the initial use. This is the reset button on the charging case. And overall, this charging case looks really nice. I love the shape of it. These hearing aids are built for adults with mild to moderate hearing loss. Here's the charging case with the hearing aids inside, and those are your indicator lights to let you know that the hearing aids are fully charged or that your hearing aids are running out of battery and they need to be charged. It is recommended that you connect the hearing aids to the phone within 30 minutes after taking them out. EleHear Beyond Pro is also app controlled. Make sure your Bluetooth is set for Beyond Pro. Search for Beyond Pro in settings. And this app is great. You can adjust the volume. You can translate from English to Spanish. You can select multiple languages also. You can have different nice relaxing sounds for tinnitus. For example, you can have white noise, brown noise, blue noise, pink noise, wind, thunderstorms, rain. It's really relaxing. Here's the Type-C port for charging. This lightweight hearing aid by EleHear improves hearing by 30%. This device helps cut through the background noise effortlessly and discreetly. It doesn't even look like you're wearing a hearing aid. Now here are the hearing aids. One charge lasts up to 20 hours. To power on and off the hearing aid, you press the button right here. You press and hold the button for 3 seconds. When the battery is low, you can put them in your charging case. Now, I have a friend who experiences tinnitus and I let them borrow the EleHear hearing aids to test them out for about a week. They said that they really enjoyed using EleHear for the tinnitus portion. They liked the background noises on the app, and they also liked how they were able to use it as Bluetooth to make calls and listen to music. And overall, they said it was a great product. They liked how comfortable it was in the ear. Not only does it help you hear better, but you could also use it for relaxing sounds, using it as a translator, listening to music, all while being discreet. People won't even know you're wearing a hearing aid. I hope this video was helpful. If you or you may know someone that might need a hearing aid, check the description below. I will put some affiliate links down there. Take care, comment, like, and share. Subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.